Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to use Lovable AI to create a website. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little bit different. So yeah, before starting, you have to make sure that you have a Lovable account ready and that you're already logged into your account. This tutorial is useful because it allows you to generate and customize a professional website in just a few minutes. So yeah, first you have to make sure that you are in lovable.dev, and then once you're here, you will click create a project, and of course you have to log in before seeing that option right here. And yeah, after you click create new project, you will be asked to enter your website idea or prompt. For example, a personal portfolio for a designer, and then you will click generate with AI. Then Lovable will automatically create your website layout, text, and sections based on your input. Then you will click edit to customize your content, images, or colors. You can also click preview to see how your website looks live. And once you're happy with the result, you will just click publish to go live instantly. And if your screen looks different, you have to look for the AI generate or start with AI button instead. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and listening. And I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.